Imagine the possibilities. An easy-to-use, singly integrated student information system with valuable features for every user. A 100% web-based system for anywhere, anytime access. Imagine a complete student system with learning tools to facilitate standards-based learning. A system designed with a vision of what is coming in learning management, lesson planning, and personalized learning. Welcome to Infinite Campus. To people committed to your success with information technology. Infinite Campus is a company whose mission is to transform K-12 education. We have 3 challenging yet extremely attainable goals. Streamline educational processes, promote stakeholder collaboration, and personalize learning. Infinite Campus is committed to implementing this vision with your district. Imagine a system with an easy-to-use interface that can be accessed at any time from a computer or mobile device, such as an iPad or smartphone, putting access to all student information at your fingertips. Information like important notifications, where simply selecting a tab at the top of the page provides you immediate access to all related data, including popular reports. Simplify district-wide attendance management while keeping parents aware of their student status. Infinite Campus lets you collect, report, and communicate attendance, including push notifications to students and parents for accessing real-time attendance information on the portal. Imagine a tool that centralizes positive and negative behavioral events. Campus behavior allows an incident to be attached to multiple events and participants, and it provides messaging to parents and guardians. The Campus Schedule Wizard lets you create a full schedule in seconds with the click of a button. Drag and drop sections to see other options. Conflicts are displayed in red in real time. No more waiting for uploads or report runs. Zoom in to see details on the section. Teacher, students, and room. All the sections in the schedule are shown by the yellow boxes. The walk-in scheduler tool easily handles schedule changes. Color coding shows which sections are full and which have openings. Teachers are automatically notified of schedule changes which are updated on the portal in real time. Imagine an academic planner, a single place to monitor a student's progress, track credits and courses, view trends, and ensure that each student is on track to graduate. Imagine a suite of tools designed with teachers in mind. Campus Instruction provides a straightforward approach to planning instruction, assessing student growth, and reporting progress. Campus Instruction includes everything teachers need, and all in one place. Campus Portal gives students the convenience to submit homework and take assessments online that were created directly within the gradebook. The portal gives parents and guardians a single place for assignments, assessments, attendance, report cards, health records, school notices, and more. Campus is more than the best SIS on the market. It is driven by the people behind the product. Our campus support advisors will exceed your expectations. The award-winning campus support team answers calls within 3 rings, has a 97% satisfaction rating, and provides 24/7 product support on the campus community, a place to access learning videos, help guides, and discussion forums to share ideas and collaborate with other users. And we're not done. Infinite Campus has developed a learning environment in which students and teachers interact in real time with the use of iPads and other mobile devices. Teachers access an online library, complete with learning exercises linked to standards. Students complete standards at their own pace on mobile devices, truly personalizing learning. Imagine the possibilities. That is precisely what your district did when it chose Infinite Campus to be your student information system. District personnel will use Infinite Campus to manage all student data and transform K-12 education. Are you ready? We are. The future of education is here. Let's get started.